Hi everyone! Today is the third week for my kidney disease awareness video. Today I'll be making tangy green beans, and the recipe comes from the Mayo Clinic. What all do you need for the tangy green beans? 1.5 pounds of green beans, fresh, frozen, or canned. 1/3 cup diced sweet red bell pepper. For the dressing, you need 4.5 teaspoons olive or canola oil, 4.5 teaspoons water, 1.5 teaspoons vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons mustard, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder. So let's begin. Dump in your 4.5 teaspoons of olive or canola oil, 4.5 teaspoons of water, 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar, 1.5 teaspoons of mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. And mix that until thoroughly combined. And you'll probably have to mix it again right before we mix it with the green beans and set it aside. So next you want to steam the beans and the red peppers. I have a frying pan that came with a steamer basket, so I'm going to be using that. I have just barely any water because you don't want your vegetables to be immersed in the water. You just want it to steam. And then as soon as it's boiling, we will add our steamer basket and our beans. It is boiling now. I'm going to put my steamer pan. This came with the frying pan. I'm going to stick it down in there and put my beans. And probably have more beans than I need. I think that's about all I'm going to be able to put in there. And my red bell peppers. And we put our lid on and steam that until crisp tender, about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so let's look and see what they are. They look really good. They look nice and crisp tender. And we'll put these in the bowl. Then take the dressing that you made and pour it over the beans and mix that. And then you'll want to serve it warm. So here is the tangy green beans, and rounding out the meal is air fryer pork chop. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Pork chop or the green beans?
Green beans. Those are tangy green beans.
That is pork chop, right?
That is a pork chop.
Okay.
It's an air fryer pork chop.
All right then. It's been a rough week, y'all. Are crispy.
And that's what I was going for. Did you get any tangy sauce?
No, I mean, I didn't get anything, nothing that jumped out at me.
Okay.
Let me get over here. Get a bite from the middle. Is there supposed to be spicy tangy or just lemony tangy?
Just tangy.
Probably due to my cold, I'm not getting a lot of tanginess from it.
Still no?
No.
Okay, it's probably your cold.
It's probably my cold. There's no, I have, my taste buds are working. I'm not getting a big, what I think of as tangy.
Does it have a good flavor though?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, then it's probably tangy and you just can't taste it.
No, when I got is that tomato?
No, it's a red bell pepper.
Oh, red bell pepper. Okay, when I got 3 chunks of that, I could tell that there was more than the bell pepper flavor there.
Okay, that's good.
So that's probably, it's just my, my cold. There's some things that are, sugar. I still do real good with sugar, but
Imagine that.
yeah. But the rest of my flavors are not quite as pronounced as they normally are. I think these,
They're healthy for you.
yeah, well, they're healthy for you, and there's a lot of crunch to them, so good fiber.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.